Hey YouTube, this is just a quick video to show you how to use the menu function on the Logic base models. The Logic Plus will have a readout display and it will tell you exactly what's going on, what function you're using and how it works, etc. If you've got the base model Logic, the C at Combi, you'll be presented by these two zeros, which means standby mode. To get into the menu, you just press and hold the preheat and the restart for 5 seconds, which I'll do now. It'll bring up the last known fault of the boiler, and then it'll go into service high, which is SH. You'll need a demand on the boiler, you'll need to put the heating on to put it into service mode, but to lock it in, you just press the restart button. Next one, press the left button, we'll go into service mode low. Obviously press restart to lock it in. You can do your high and low CO levels, etc., gas pressures, blah 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 blah. Next one, if you've drained the boiler, you've done some work on it, changed the pump or what have you. This is, or you've just brand new installed boiler, you would use this. It looks like a U, but it's actually a V, which is vent function. So you press restart to put it into vent function, and it would pulse the pump on and off, move the stepper motor up and down for about 5 minutes, I think. So always use this one when you're refilling it to get all the air out of the boiler. Next one is DU, it's DV, which is diverter valve, which if you press the restart button, it'll put the stepper motor into mid position. So if you're draining it down, it's useful to put it into mid position so you drain all the boiler. You're not surprised when you're taking the plate out and there's still water holding in there. Next one is P1, which puts the pump into 100% mode. So essentially it's set at 70%, hot water is set at 100%. So if you've got long runs of all 10mm pipes and they're not getting hot, it might be worth putting the pump into 100%, stops it modulating. Next one puts the pump back into 70%, which is the factory setting on the central heating, pump 70%. Next one is the service interval. So your 12-month service interval, you can lock that in when you've serviced it and it'll count down 12 months and set the service reminder again. That's it, press it again, goes back to normal. Some of you might see an FL on the bottom of these menus, which is a European continental setting, which we don't use in this country. It's just for underfloor heating, but if you see it, it'll come up on a display, but it doesn't really do anything, so I wouldn't worry about that. Okay, see you, bye bye.